Bruh.
Shit! Fuck! Page! Enemy soldiers have taken over the biochemical lab! Damn it! Hitting them now! Give me some rapid fire! Firing on the enemy! Watch out!
I need more bullets! I need more bullets! I need more bullets! I need more bullets!
You bastard! Go on! Take him out! Take cover!
I need more bullets! I need more bullets! I need more bullets! I need more bullets!
Move it to position!
Сука, блядь!
Placing C4 on the bioweapon canisters! Evacuate the building! Evacuate! Remain in position! It's paid! Take him out!
I need more bullets! I need more bullets! I need more bullets! I need more bullets!
Die, worthless rogues! Form their position! Die like the coward you are! Filthy pig! Another group of victims. Predictable. Son of a bitch! You thought it would be easy, didn't you? Figured you'd just white knight your way in here and kill me? Life is a little more complicated than that. Where's that heroism now? Son of a fucking lunatic! I'm gonna kill you just like Anderson, and so you die. What have you done? You'll never understand. Why? Downs, you okay? Damn it, we need to move. Come on. Knight, Downs is down.
Direct your team.
Wait, clear the path. We need to evac now. Move it. They're in range. Weapons free. Oh, shit, Blake. Take them out. Take them out, Blake. Take them out. Copy that. Weapons free. Kill them. That's a takedown. Good work, Blake. We need to get out of here. Hostile eliminated! That's perfect. We need to get to extraction, Blake. Clear the way. Let's move! Oh, move! Move! Fuck!
Copy that. We'll have a quarantine zone in the scrub team crypt. Let's not make any assumptions. You may be okay.
Come on, Blake! Hostile up front! That's a kill! Hostile down! Enemy eliminated! Weapons free! Open fire! We need more troops! Enemy neutralized! Thanks. Now we get the hell out of here.
Locker, we got air support inbound. As soon as you're clear, we start bombing.
No need. Guys and I rigged C4 charges all over. We push the button. This place turns into a crater.